Alright, so on this job over here, if you notice here, the blower motor's not working up here. So sometimes you can get lucky with these blower motors. This is an actual carrier unit. Sometimes on the older units, they actually have a capacitor. So if you notice, this capacitor is swollen and bulging up on top. And the new ones don't have that bulge. So what you want to do is when you replace one of these capacitors, before you replace it, you can actually just look at it and see the difference, right? So when they look like this, they're no good. Just replace it. The actual blower motor is really hot, so if you replace it, if it still doesn't start, it doesn't mean that it's bad. You just gotta let it cool down. Sometimes it can take about half an hour for these blowers to cool down, but that should be the issue with this unit. Also too, when you check this motor after you replace it, you got to make sure you hold down this door switch, or else it's not going to come on either. For safety reasons, before you change that capacitor, you should turn off your breaker, but if you have a little bit of experience, the least you should do is turn your light switch off here. So here's your light switch. Furnace right there, turn it off, okay? When you do this, you still might have voltage going to it, because that only kills actually one side of the 120. But I have experience, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it live. If it is live, I know what I'm doing. So this is what you do. All you do is take like that. Also too, when I replace this capacitor, it's 10 and 10. See, if you notice, this one says 370 and this one says 440. That doesn't matter on this one, okay? Just worry about the 10. All right, let's see if it starts.